the magical weaver's gift. In a land far away, where the sun always shined, lived a magical weaver, one of a kind. With a heart full of love and a mind full of wisdom, he wove tales of wonder, never causing a schism. The weaver was known by the name Rumpelstiltskin, but his heart was so pure, it was never a sin. He saw the world differently, with eyes full of light, and knew that all creatures were precious and bright. One day, a young maiden came to him in distress. She had made a promise she couldn't address. To spin straw into gold was her daunting task, but the weaver just smiled behind his whimsical mask. "Fear not, my dear child," he said with a grin, "for the magic you seek lies deep within. The straw's but a symbol of your own golden heart, and the love that you give is the most precious art." The maiden was puzzled, but trusted his words as she sat by his side and listened to the birds. The weaver began to spin tales of delight, of how nature and love make everything right. He spoke of the sun, the moon, and the stars, and how they all dance in the cosmic bazaars. He told her of forests, of rivers and streams, and how they all flow with the stuff of our dreams. As the maiden listened, her heart filled with peace, and the straw seemed to shimmer like a golden fleece. She realized then that the magic was true, and that love was the key to all she could do. The weaver just smiled and bid her farewell, for he knew that her story was hers to tell. And as she left, with a heart full of light, she knew that the world was a magical sight. So remember, dear child, when your heart feels like straw, that the magic within you is the greatest of all. Just like the weaver, with his heart full of love, you too can spin wonders with help from above.